Hello friends, welcome back to Renk Simulink Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to build a simple 5 to 0 down counter using Stateflow in MATLAB Simulink. Let's get started. You have to open a chart. First, I open a blank Simulink model. Now I am adding a Stateflow chart block and a scope block to observe the output. Double click the chart block. Now I will open the chart to design down counter logic. Insert one state. Okay, name it down counter. I am adding a single state and naming it down counter. Double click the state, and now in the entry action we have to add uh, a equal to 5. I am initializing the counter variable a to 5. So when the chart start, the counter start from 5. Now we have to add during action. In the during action, I am decrementing a value by 1. So for every time step, the counter value goes down by 1. A equal to a minus 1. uh, we have to add transition, drag, draw self loop to the same state. Double click on transition. Now I am adding self loop transition back to the same state. The condition is a less than equal to 0, which means when the counter reaches 0 or less, this transition will fire. In the transition action, I reset back to 5, so the counter start big again. Okay, now we have to set a equal to 5. Now we have to set a as an output data. So we can see the output in the scope. Drag a line from the chart output to the scope. Okay, now we can visualize the counter waveform in the scope. First I'm setting 40 simulation. You can see the output here. Okay, the scope output should show descending staircase waveform. Look at the scope output. You can see the counter start from 5, counts down step by step to 0. Okay, and then reset back to 5, repeating a loop This is a simple down counter using a state flow. You can see here the chart. Okay, now you can see 5, then 4, 3, 2, 1. Shit. Okay, now so this is a simple down counter using state flow. Okay, so in this how you can easily build 5 to 0 down counter using Stateflow in MATLAB Simulink. Uh, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Renk Simulink Solutions for more Simulink and Stateflow tutorials. Also comment below and tell me which topic you want to next. Thanks for watching.